All right, hi everyone. We're going to go over our 4 examples to prepare for our Chapter 12 quiz. So our first example has percent efficiency. So this is an average of how efficient our device is. So we're looking at energy that we put out divided by the energy that we have coming in times 100%. So if we have the word uses, that means that energy is coming in from the wall or wherever it's coming in from. If we're producing, that's energy going out. So if I have 1200 joules coming in and 850 joules going out, I would put that into my equation. 850 divided by 1200, my joules will cancel. I'm going to times that by 100% and I get 70.8%. Be careful on your quiz to see what decimal place I ask you for. Usually I ask you for 2 decimal places, so be sure to respond with that. In my next example, I'm looking for my cost to operate. I need power in kilowatts, time in hours, and the cost of electricity in cents per kilowatts an hour. So this example gives me the power, 75 watts. The cost is given to me, and it wants to know how much it would cost for 1 year with 15 hours per day. So since it gives me 15 hours per day, I need to figure out how many is that for a year in total. I need to do some conversions here. So the first thing, I need to change my watts to kilowatts, and I use my equation. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. I put the 1,000 watts on the bottom so that I'm left with kilowatts, which is what we need. And I divide. Remember that this comes right on top, so it's 75 times 1 divided by 1,000 to get this number. For time, again, in 1 year, I have 365 days, so I can cancel out my days and figure out how many hours I have in 1 year. We have our cost of electricity. When we plug in all of these values, we get 2,299.5 cents. To convert to dollars, this is what you do. You divide by 100. Respond in either cents or dollars on your quiz.